So today I thought I'd take the Scrambler out. I'm going to go over to Stowmarket, and I've seen some byways on the map that I've never been to, so I thought, one, I want to try. I've got a textiles jacket on, which I don't normally wear. I just want to see if I can sort of ride this bike in the winter and still enjoy it, because it's still quite cold. I want to see if I can do a few little byways, have a little bit of fun. I was going to have a couple of people with me, but I've all sort of bailed out. So that should be quite interesting. I think if the byway is quite wet, I'm going to be screwed because these tyres are basically going down now, and I've got no knobbies on at the moment. But it should be fun. If I drop it, it'll be even less fun. But, accept permit holders. What does that mean? But that last byway was a waste of time. Some of them are stripped out. For fuck's sake. So is this one? Why would you restrict it? Can't use accept permit holders byways. Why not? Perfect byway, you can't use it. Right, well this has been the least fun off-road day so far. So I spent about an hour driving. All the byways I checked are shut in Suffolk. I think Essex seems to be alright. So I just got myself a coffee to warm up and see if I can find another one. It's a nice boat. Hey, I finally found a byway. See how this pans out. I do love this bike. Literally does anything. Well, I sort of make it do everything, but I'll try to anyway. Oh, sweetheart. Definitely gonna get this fucking dirty. What's that saying? Stand error. It's because I got the stand down. What up? Whoa! Yeah, baby. Whoa! Get off that front brake! Whoa! Fucking hell, slippery as fuck. It's easier in the water. Oh yeah. Oh, something got it. You want to come down here at night, would you? Spooky. Shoes. Woohoo! Get that mud off. Caravan Club. Just don't know what's about here. Sweet. That's sugar beet. Keep going. It should be on my left. This is the next byway. Bit grassy. Bike's doing alright. Bit of mud there. Nothing, nice little sponge down afterwards when it's sort out. Ooh. Someone's been down here. one life, live it. Yeah, man. Don't actually get me anymore. Fucking hell. This doesn't look like a byway, does it? Disappear into a ditch at any moment. Oh. Let's try the middle. I bet this gets really shitty in the winter. Yeah, you're not getting any kind of 4x4 down here. Public footpath, public byway. Jesus, wow. There you are. Bit of byway. Oh, pretty busy road actually. Right, let's try and do a Yui. Oh man, it'd be so cool if they would footpaths for bikes. Slippery, slippery. Yeah, I can see why this has been shut off to cars. What is a byway? Worry about doing this at night, though, would you? Oh yeah, look at this. Fuck it, I go to Thetford Forest, that'd be decent. Too far away. Smallest byway in the world. And that's pretty much it. So oh cool. Pretty amazing. Imagine just going